Just by being 10 years late, you would lose half your money. So I don't want you to make that mistake. You would have around 6 lakhs after 20 years, and that too with just a one-time investment. Do you want to make your money make you money? Do you want to build wealth? Do you want to make money while you sleep? Then keep watching. Hello guys, how's it going? Today's video is a beginner's guide to investing. I've tried to keep this video as simple as possible so it's easy to understand, and I will not use any complicated words. I posted a poll on Instagram and asked you guys if you guys were investing, and most of you said that you did not have enough knowledge. So of course here I am with this video. So this is the first video in the Investing 101 series, and this one's for the beginners, especially for the youngsters, and if you're in your teens, you're in your 20s. This is a very simple beginner's guide to investing. We are not going to talk about investing in real estate in this video because when you're just starting out, when you are in your 20s, you don't directly invest in real estate. In this video, I'll cover why you should invest, why you should start investing as early as possible, the questions you need to ask yourself before you start investing. In the part 2 of this video, which will be up next week, I'll cover the power of compounding with calculations, how much you should be investing, where you should be investing. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified once it's up because you don't want to miss it. If you're new around here, this channel is all about business, mindset, spirituality, and my journey as an entrepreneur. Give this video a big thumbs up if you learned something from it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I don't see a lot of women and young people talking about finances, investing, which I also discussed in this video in detail, and we need to change that so we can make good financial decisions. It's time to take charge of your money. Financial decisions can be a tough task for many. If you ask someone why are they not investing, they would say that either they do not have money or do not have enough knowledge, or simply they're too afraid to join the investing world. Most people associate investing with market crashes and losing money, but you cannot let your fear harm your financial future. Maybe you're risk averse and you don't want to lose what you already have, but there's also a potential of delicious returns, and for that you have to invest smartly. And I know it's easy to get intimidated by all the challenges and possibilities and the things you do not know when you're an absolute beginner. But trust me, it's not rocket science, you can learn. So don't be embarrassed about not knowing about money and worrying in silence. Be open to learning, ask questions. What's the worst that could happen? It would lead to a discussion and you would learn a few new things. That's a win-win, right? Start getting involved in the family discussions about money. Start talking to your friends about money. There's so much information available over the internet, so many tools available. Talk to financial advisors. Now let's discuss why you should invest money. Investing is a technique of building wealth. Investments are important to reach your financial goals, and it provides a buffer for unforeseen expenses that may arise in future. Your investments will come in handy and get you through the tough times if you start investing early on. Now, investing is different from trading and savings. Generally, investing is associated with putting your money away for a longer period of time rather than trading stocks on a more regular basis. Investing is riskier than saving money. If you're going to keep your money locked in a locker and not invest, you would never have more money than what you've put away. You would never be able to grow that money and make money with that money. Some people think that investing is gambling. It is not. The difference between investing and gambling is investing takes more patience and time. Number one reason you should invest is wealth creation. Obviously, you should invest to build wealth. Investing your money will allow your money to grow instead of keeping cash with you. It makes your money earn you money. There are 101 ways to invest and build wealth. If you're serious about building wealth, then you need to create a plan that suits you and your goals. Intelligent investing is the key to building wealth. Number 2 is it will make you stay ahead of inflation. If you don't invest and grow your money, thanks to inflation, you will actually end up losing money. Let me explain how. Inflation is the general increase in prices that happens every year and a decline in your purchasing power. For instance, a ₹100 earned will just be worth ₹97 next year if it is not invested and the rate of inflation is 3%. And a product that costs you 100 right now will cost you 103 next year. And when you invest your money and the rate of inflation is say 7 to 10%, you'll be way ahead of inflation. If your investments are not giving you inflation beating returns, then inflation at the rate of 8% will eat up half of your money within 8 years. So always be on the lookout for investments that are going to give you inflation beating returns. Investments make you develop a habit of saving. The more you invest, the more returns you get in future. That way you cut down on the unnecessary expenses and invest instead. That's a win-win, right? Investing helps you during retirement. Obviously, when you start investing early, you increase your chances of reaching a financial stability at a young age. If you want to have enough money to retire, you have to make your money work for you. So live an easier life when you retire. Investing also helps you save on taxes. Now let's talk about why you should invest early. Ideally, you should start investing early. I wish I had started early. If someone had guided me to invest early, I definitely would have. Basically, I was always trying to save money to grow my startup, and there was not much cash saved in the initial years of my startup. But I think if I had saved even a small portion of that money, I would definitely have made more money. So I don't want you to make that mistake. Start investing even if that's a very small amount. You will learn, test the waters. Initially and even now, I've always discussed with my brothers about investing. So my initial knowledge about investing comes from my brothers. One of my brothers is a banker, so he's our go-to person for all the investing tips and tricks we need and where should we invest. So if you have someone like that in your family or maybe in your friend circle, reach out to them. Learn the basics of investing. So when you start earning, you're not earning a lot of money in the beginning. So your tax liability is very low. Most people are below the tax slab. So you have an opportunity here to invest a good portion of your money. And the best part of being in your 20s is that you don't have to show off a lot. No one's expecting you to be rich or act rich. You just got out of college. You just got a job. You can live below your means and nobody's gonna judge you. You don't have to buy the latest iPhone, which I did, but I don't want you to make that mistake. Invest that money instead. Investing happens when at the end of the month, after all your expenses, your necessary expenses, after all your bills are paid, you've got some money left to put towards your future. But then how do you save enough to invest? By living below your means. Don't party every night. Eat at expensive restaurants. Don't buy the Chanel bag just yet. Save that money. Invest it. Don't jeopardize your financial future. What does an iPhone cost? Around 60 to 90,000. If you invest that money with rate of interest 10%, you would have around 6 lakhs after 20 years. And that too with just a one-time investment. And I'll show you this calculation and how we reach this magic number in my next video. Use young age to your advantage. Live like a pauper. Be regular and disciplined with your investments. Make your assets make you money and then buy whatever you want to. Right now, don't go crazy with your cash. Investing wisely and spending modestly are the keys to building wealth. Early investments lead to compounding returns. The earlier you invest, the richer you get. The value of money increases over time. The earlier you start, the easier it is to build wealth. I know a lot of people who are my age, even older than me, that don't invest. Honestly, to each his own, but I think it's very important to invest today. We've all seen how 2020 was. When it rains, it pours. So you've got to start investing and saving to secure your financial future. You don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. And when you're entering into the investment world early, you learn risk and rewards early on and make investments smartly. Not that we are competing, but it puts you way ahead of people who start investing later in life. Your money grows with time. Let's take an example of two people. This invest the same amount of 1 lakh with the same rate of interest, let's say 10%. One starts investing at the age of 25 and one starts investing at the age of 35. And they both redeem their investments at the age of say 50. So one person who started at 25 is investing for 25 years and the other one who started at 35 is investing for 15 years. So the guy who started at the age 25 would have around 11 lakhs by the age of 50, just with the one-time investment of 1 lakh. And the guy who started at the age of 35 would have around 4 lakhs by the age of 50, which is half of what the guy who started at 25 would get. Are you following me here? Just by being 10 years late, you would lose half your money. This is why you need to start as early as possible. And this was just the calculation for one-time investment. Imagine investing every month. What would your returns be? So the right time can be once you complete your college, you've got a job, definitely start investing. The little amount invested now will put more money in your pocket in the future. If you're under 18, you can invest through a guardian. If you don't have money, start learning about investments. Read up on it. Learn the different kinds of investment options there are so you can start investing as soon as you start earning money. You're never too young to invest. Young people have a high risk appetite. Young people have a more risk-taking ability than the older ones. Because when you're young, you don't have a lot of responsibilities. You don't have a partner, you don't have kids. So your risk appetite is high. Older investors prefer stability, so they avoid high risk investments. But then more the risk, the more the reward. But make sure you thoroughly go through everything and take calculated risks and start as early as possible. Now, the questions you need to ask yourself before you start investing. Are you in debt? If yes, clear your debt first. Second, do you have an emergency fund? Life happens. When it rains, it pours. Any sane financial advisor would tell you to avoid total ruin, you must have between 6 months and a year of total expenses in cash or in a savings account should the unthinkable happen. If you don't have an emergency fund just yet, start saving and start investing only once you have your emergency fund sorted. So that's it in today's video. I hope this video was helpful. This was a total beginner's guide. In the next video, we're gonna dive deeper and get a step ahead. We'll learn more about investing, how people build wealth, how much you should invest, what are the returns you're gonna get after a certain period, reverse calculation as well. Say you want to make 1 crore by the age of 50. We'll learn how much you should invest and what are the best investment options available. Trust me, you don't want to miss that video. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified once it's up. And of course, like this video so more people can see it. That's how the algorithm works. And share this with your friends so they can learn. See you in my next video.